హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ ఏఎంఎస్ గాసిపీస్. సో మేము వచ్చేసాము షర్ట్ పోర్ట్కి. ఏంటి షాప్ వెరైటీగా ఉందనుకుంటున్నారా? దిస్ ఈజ్ వేర్ హౌస్ ఆఫ్ షర్ట్ పోర్ట్. సో నేను అన్నీ మీ డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను, కమెంట్స్లో వచ్చిన డౌట్స్ అన్నీ. అండ్ ఇక్కడ అన్నీ పాలీ ప్యాక్డ్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ అ హ్యూజ్ సేల్. అది క్లియరెన్స్ సేల్ కాదు, దట్ ఈజ్ అ జెన్యున్ సేల్. సో అందుకనే మేము మీకు వేర్ హౌస్ కూడా చూపించేద్దాం అనుకున్నాము. దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ అప్ విత్ హ్యూజ్ సేల్ అనమాట ఇన్ ఫిబ్రవరి ఓన్లీ. So stay tuned for whole video to get dates released. And ఇది సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ రెనోవేషన్ అవుతుంది. సో యానివర్సరీ సేల్ వరకు, అది స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే వరకు ఈ రెనోవేషన్ అంతా కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది విత్ 3 డ్రెస్సింగ్ రూమ్స్. This is how it is, and let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe.
99 collection. Yeah. It is a quite long. You can wear it like a dress also if you want. You can style it. Yeah. And what else we have got in 99? We have got shorts. Summer is around the corner, and everyone likes to wear comfortable clothing. Not much clothes. So this is the shorts available for rupees 99 only. And all the sizes are available in this, guys. It's very comfortable hosiery fabric. It has got string to adjust the size. So this you gonna get for rupees 99 at the store. Okay. Something with the beads. Look at this, guys. This is available for 99 rupees at the store. All the sizes available in this, and such a nice fabric and such a nice beading work on it.
Yes, true.
This one is for someone who prefers like long tops.
Okay.
So this is something again that is available in different colors. Such a nice pattern. Look at this one. This will be nice long with the sleeves with thin fabric, available in different sizes and different color.
And even this is for 99.
Yes. At our store, the tops are ranging from 200 to 500. You might know this if you have visited the store and watched our previous videos. But during the sale, pick any top, whichever top it may be, you are going to get at one flat rate, which is 199. Guys, imagine 199. Pick any top, any top. Yes, even if it's for like 500, you are going to get only for 200.
Are you sure, Sonam?
Yes.
It is for 199.
Yes, guys.
Oh,
It
it
is
is a big
100% genuine big sale, guys. I want you guys to come at the store and please give the reviews on this video saying that it is 100% genuine sale, so that you can help other people also to buy from our store. We are working really hard to give you stuff at a very reasonable price, and this sale is not going to be like for 1 day or 2 days.
Okay.
It is going to be there for like literally 2 weeks
Okay, it
Yes.
starts from.
at the end of the video.
Okay, we'll wait.
So I am going to show you few tops which we have already stocked here. So which you are going to get for rupees 200, right? So these are all poly packed tops which I am going to open in front of you guys.
Okay.
So check this one out. You can check all these tops. They are all available online on Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart and Jabong for I don't know what the price they are giving, but I know the price what we are giving during the sale. This only available for 199, guys. Look at the styling on the sleeves. Look at the texture, color, everything. I'll quickly show you few more articles. This is another article.
Okay.
Get the styling. It is got like nice cape here on top. You can wear it like a off shoulder top as well, and
Yes.
you can cover your shoulder as well. All the sizes available, guys, only for
Okay.
rupees 199. Yeah.
So whatever top it is, only tops are
Yes.
for 199.
Pick any top at the store, whether it's Zara, Mango, Veramoda,
Okay.
Cover Story, any brand, you are going to get only for rupees 200.
199.
And we are showing few articles in this video. As you know, guys,
Yeah.
we cannot cover the whole thing.
Yeah, we
So
have
I am showing
whole
few-
warehouse.
Yes. So guys, if you can see this top, right? If you see this top, it's such a nice party wear top. It has got all the bling that's needed for a party. You can pair this with any skirt, denim, or any
Jeans or
anything.
Anything you can match up with this,
It has got nice styling on the back. And guys, at the moment we are selling this top for rupees 400. During the sale, you are going to get this top for rupees 200 only. Look at the styling.
Yeah, it is pretty good actually.
This is another cute top. I love this top. I don't know why. It has got nice feel, It's very much trending. It has got nice sleeves. It's off shoulder and it's cotton, guys. Summer is around the corner and I know how much we love cotton.
Yes.
Such a nice white, soothing to your eyes. Such a nice top. You are getting this top for 199. All the sizes available.
Okay.
I'll pick. You can choose me help. Whichever you like. So I'll.
We'll go with this.
Okay. So chosen this one. So let's show Shravani this.
Wow.
Look at this, Shravani.
It's really pretty good. Seriously, the top we can wear for offices, formal, everything.
Yeah, nice embroidery, guys. 200 rupees.
Only 200, guys.
Yeah. So if you want to grab the collection for the whole year, visit during this sale and you are sorted for the year.
Seriously.
Yeah, you can choose any if you want.
This one.
Okay. So here, again I'm going with Shravani's choice.
Wow.
Such a pretty piece. Look at the styling on the sleeves. Guys, you are going to get all this branded wear at a very reasonable price for rupees 200 during the sale time. And it's a soft satin, guys. So you can also wear this in summer. Such a nice color and nice styling, ruffle styling on the sleeves. You can touch the fabric. All the sizes available in this. Available only for 200 rupees during the sale time. The article,
Okay.
it has got such a nice color again soft satin. Can you hold this for me?
Yes.
Look at this one. Such a nice thing. Ruffle on the neck and it has
Okay.
got this strands. So you
Okay.
can buy this top only for rupees 200 during the sale.
Okay.
Yeah. And last but not the least, I'm going to show you this piece. People who think they have this tummy fat like me, so they can opt for this top. It's very trendy top. It has got this kaftan style, and it won't show your bulges, and it has got
Okay.
nice cut.
Okay.
And we have this at the store available in all the sizes for rupees. You'll get this for rupees 200 in the sale. Look at this one, guys. So pretty.
so pretty. And fabric is also too good.
Yeah. Another formal top.
Okay.
Guys, look at the color. They're all nice color. Such a pretty formal shirt kind of a
Thing.
top,
Actually,
and it has got self colored embroidery on it, and these are available in all the sizes, guys. So grab this before it lasts. So save your dates, keep yourself free, and visit the store. Okay.
Yes.
Coming to the tank tops, guys, people have loved tank tops at our store. They are all available for 400 rupees. Pick any tank tops. We have around 14 to 15 different articles in tank tops, but during the sale they are going to get at half price, which is 200. We are sticking to our words. Pick any top, whether it's a tank or not tank, 200 rupees.
Okay.
So guys, I'll show you few. Yeah, check out this one.
Wow. చాలా బాగుంది సింపుల్ క్రాప్ టాప్ లాగా మనం స్టక్ తో దీన్ని పేటప్ చేసినా చాలా బాగుంటుంది ఇది అండ్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ చాలా స్మూత్ షిమ్మర్ ఉంది కదా అని గుచ్చుకోవడం అలాంటిది ఏం లేదు అండ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ అ లైనింగ్
Yes. All of them have got lining and nice styling. You wear this, you wear a blazer, you wear a shrug, and you gonna rock it, babe. Seriously.
ఈవెన్ ఇది కూడా మనకి 200 రూపీస్ అంటే 199.
That's another song shop.
Wow. So this is like crazy. We'll go crazy with this.
I'm opening each and every piece in front of you guys. They are all poly packed pieces with the lining. You can see the lining here, and nice thick heavy quality fabrics.
Yes.
Only for rupees 349, which I am showing you is all knee length dresses here. I'm going to show you another classy piece from our store, from the brand called Zinc London again. So you can see this. I have opened in front of you.
Wow.
So I am going to take out the spaghetti inside. So you are going to get this spaghetti with each and every pieces you buy here. It has got nice styling on the sleeves, very different. It falls on your shoulder. Look at this. And you know what? You can style this with a belt also. And
Yes.
you are going to get this piece for rupees 349 with the spaghetti. Such a nice textured fabric.
Yes.
Guys, Valentine is around the corner. And look, we have got this piece in red color. It's a
Wow.
high-low pattern. You can style this with a belt or a shrug on top with your good pair of shoes and earrings, and you are ready for the Valentine.
This one.
Yeah.
We'll go with this one. Even this is a beautiful frock with a cloth, very thick cloth. I can say
Again the lining, yeah.
We have the same lining. మనకి సేమ్ లైనింగ్ కూడా ఉంది. క్లాత్ చూసారు ఎంత థిక్ అండ్ స్మూత్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ చాలా సాఫ్ట్ గా ఉంది. మనకి ఇన్ జనరల్ గా చీప్ ప్రైసెస్ లో దొరికే క్లాత్ కాదు ఇది. వీ కెన్ మీరు చూడొచ్చు. అండ్ వీ ఆల్రెడీ గాట్ హ్యాండ్స్ విత్ ఇట్. దెర్ ఇస్ నో we cannot stitch or we need to stitch it.
Even the fabric you won't get at this price, guys. This is another very nice piece. I'll show you. These are also available on the sizes. It's a different fabric. Such a nice digital print, floral print on it, and a very nice color. It's a straight knee length dress, and you are going to get this dress for rupees 349. Yeah.
ఓకే సో వీఆర్ హియర్ ఇన్ లాంగ్ డ్రెస్సెస్ సెక్షన్ లో ఉన్నాం అనమాట. ఇప్పటి వరకు మనకి నీ లెంత్ సెక్షన్ అయింది. సో వీఆర్ హియర్ ఇన్
Long dresses.
Okay.
So guys, I'm going to show you a very few pieces from knee length, as we have a wide collection of long dresses with us. So I'll show you few. As you can see, I'm opening in front of you. This is the dress, and this will go like a halter neck. And this dress you are going to get only for rupees 449, which is actually 450 rupees.
ఓకే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫర్
So-
450.
Guys, seriously, this reasonable price, 450 rupees, a branded dress you are getting at such a reasonable price. Check the quality, so nice. We'll go forward with another few dresses. I'll show you this one. This I am absolutely in love with. This dress, it's so comfortable. Actually, I wear all day. I can wear this dress all day long. I can style this dress with a belt. It has got sleeves. It has got nice pastel color and nice print. And look at the styling. I love this dress. This is available in all the sizes, and you are going to get this dress only for rupees 450. Yes. I have made this price chart specially for the sale, so
Okay.
that you can get the exact price for what is mentioned here. So you can take the screenshot of this. Each and everything has been revealed here, but there's a surprise for you. Guess what? So the tops, pick any top, is for rupees 199, and all the prices are mentioned above for the different things. But there's a surprise in the end. On the minimum purchase of rupees 1000, you are going to get a short scratch card of minimum rupees 100. You never know, you might get for rupees 200, 300 and whatnot.
Yes.
So this sale is going to be the craziest one. Obviously, you are getting at such a low price each and everything, But if you buying for minimum 1,000, on top of that you are getting a
scratch
minimum
card.
assured scratch card of rupees
100
rupees, guys. So you can save this. And also I would like you all to please go to our Instagram page, follow us there. Our Instagram page is styleport_Hyderabad, where we are updating each and everything every single day, new products every single day, guys. So show us some love and please follow us on Instagram, styleport_Hyderabad. Thank you so much.
So Sonam, we are done with the video. Please reveal the date now.
Guys, the date are as follows: from 15th of February till 28th of February, guys.
Wow.
But don't wait for the later dates. Please visit ASAP before the stock lasts. So I am waiting to see you all. Come soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Sonam. And but thank you so much for giving us your time and calling us for this new update. And we are so happy and thanks for putting it in the same month.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much, guys.
So guys, we are already in February. Everywhere February tarvata pellillu, parties, summer, who are planning, please do visit Styleport and Shirtport. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel Airbus Gossip Biz. Bye bye.